Selling digital products on Pinterest sounds like a dream. Create it once, sell it forever, no shipping, inventory, no 3 a.m. packing orders. But let me be straight with you. It's not quite as easy as the internet makes it seem. So today I'm going to give you the real picture. This is video 4 in my series, All the Ways to Make Money on Pinterest. We talked about Amazon and affiliate marketing. And if you're just jumping in, go back and start at video 1. The full playlist is in the description. Today we're talking about selling your own digital products on Pinterest. And I'm going to walk you through what actually makes them sell, where the pitfalls are, and I'm going to use my own simple pin shop as a behind the scenes case study so you can see exactly how it works in real life. So let's dive in. First, let's make sure we're on the same page about what a digital product actually is. It's a downloadable resource, something someone buys and gets instant access to. No shipping, no physical inventory, just instant delivery. We're talking about things like templates, maybe Canva, Google Sheets, Notion, printables like planners and checklists and worksheets, ebooks, guides, courses, workshops, stock photos or graphics, software tools or plugins. The appeal is real, right? You create it once and you can sell it literally over and over again. There are high profit margins because there's really no cost of goods. It's the best business model out there. But here's what nobody tells you. Just because it's easy and you can build it doesn't mean people are going to buy it. So you're probably thinking, okay, Kate, will people actually buy then if they're coming from Pinterest? That is the $1 million question, and the answer depends on a few things. So let's get into it. I want to be honest with you here because I think a lot of people go into selling digital products on Pinterest with really high expectations. I know I have. And you get frustrated when things don't take off right away. Totally normal. Here's the thing about Pinterest users. They're in discovery mode. They are browsing. They're saving for later. They're getting inspired. They are not necessarily sitting there with their credit card out ready to purchase. You're getting someone from that, oh, that's cute, let me save it, to actually making a purchase. And that requires trust and a really good value proposition. And then there's the delivery experience. So this is a big one. If your download link is broken, the file format is confusing, if there are 6 steps between buying and actually accessing the product, you're going to get a lot of really frustrated customers, refund requests, and honestly, bad reviews. If they even get to the point of purchasing, it is not fun for anyone. On top of that, competition is really high in this area. There are a lot of digital products on Pinterest. If yours doesn't stand out or solve something better than what someone else could Google for free, it's going to be an uphill battle. But here's the good news. It absolutely can work. When you do it strategically, Pinterest becomes a really powerful sales channel. So let me tell you what that actually looks like. There are 4 things I see consistently when working with digital products and getting that to convert on Pinterest. Number 1, solve specific, immediate problems. Vague products don't sell. Think social media templates. Well, that's very broad. Nobody's searching for that, but maybe they're searching for 30 done-for-you Instagram reel templates for coaches. Now we're talking. That tells your buyer exactly what they're getting, exactly who it's for, and exactly what problem it solves. Pinterest users are searching for solutions. If your product matches what they're typing into that search bar, you're already ahead. Number 2, make it obvious what they are getting. Don't create confusion here. Your pin image has to show the product, show the template, show the planner pages, show a sample page. People need to be able to visualize themselves using it before they actually buy it. If your pin is vague or just a pretty background, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Number 3, price it right for the platform. Think of Pinterest like window shopping. You see something you love, you grab it on an impulse, but if it's $97, you're gonna think about it. Close the tab and probably forget that tab was ever even open. For Pinterest, this range between $7 and $27 digital products convert really well. Higher priced products, they require more trust building first. A blog post, an email sequence, a free lead magnet, that warms them up. Impulse buys work great on Pinterest. Strategic buys need more nurturing. Number 4, make the download experience seamless, like stupid easy, instant access, zero confusion. That is the goal. They should have their file immediately. No waiting for an email, no digging through a portal, no complicated steps. The easier you make it, the better reviews you are going to get and repeat buyers. Okay, let's talk about what this actually looks like in practice. I want to walk you through our own at simplepinshop.com because this is where I can show you some behind the scenes learnings and what I've learned about being a digital product seller. Our shop sells Pinterest strategy resources. Think guides, templates, tools, mini courses. These are for business owners trying to grow on Pinterest. It's very niche. And that's intentional. Our best sellers are something like our Pinterest profile cleanup and build guide. Why does it sell? Because it solves one very clear, specific problem. People come to Pinterest, look at their profile and say, I don't even know where to start. The guide is the answer to that exact question. Every single product listing in our shop shows screenshots of what's inside. There's no mystery, there's no guessing. You can see exactly what it is before you buy. We use Shopify with automatic digital downloads, so the moment someone checks out, they get their file. No waiting, no confusion. And we create multiple pin designs for each product, different images, different headlines, different angles, and we use keyword-rich titles and descriptions so that our pins are actually showing up when people are searching for it. Now, here's what doesn't work, and we've learned this the hard way. Vague product names and descriptions, pins that don't show the actual product, a complicated checkout process. If any of those things are happening, you are losing sales. And look, this doesn't happen overnight. One pin is not going to change your business forever. There's no $15,000 in 1 month here. But consistency, strong keywords, a clear product, and a great experience, that's where you get this aha moment and where it all starts to click together. You need a platform to host and deliver your product. So let me give you a quick rundown of the main options. Shopify, that's what we have at Simple Pin for our Simple Pin shop. We love it. It's beautiful and integrates beautifully with Pinterest. We are a verified merchant over there. Handles all of our digital downloads automatically. It does have a monthly fee, but if you're serious about this, it's worth it. Etsy, it's a huge built-in audience. People are ready to shop. The downside is high competition. But for printables and templates especially, Etsy can work really well. Gumroad, simple, clean, low fees, really good for the beginner, really good for ebooks, courses, guides, especially if you're just starting out. Stan Store, which is really popular with creators right now, mobile optimized and easy link in bio setup. And then there's your own website. Full control, but you need to set up your own payment processor and delivery system. WooCommerce can be good for that. My advice? Pick a platform that makes delivery of the product super seamless and easy for the customer. That should always be your top priority. Here's the mindset that I really want you to take away from this video. Don't create a product, then try to figure out how to sell it. Start with your audience's pain points and their struggles and build a product around that. Ask yourself, what question do people keep asking me? Where's this gap between where they are and where they want to be? And can I help solve that? What would save them time, money, or frustration? What is a win that I can help them create? We always go back to those questions before we create anything new for our shop, because that is where the product idea lives, right there in that gap. And then once you've got the product, think about the experience. Is the file format easy to use? PDFs are universal. Canva templates need clear instructions. Google Sheets need to be shared with the right permissions. Is it easy to access and download? And most importantly, does it actually deliver on the promise you made in your pin? Better experience means repeat buyers. And honestly, repeat buyers are everything. Okay, here's a quick strategy tip before we wrap up. Creating multiple pin designs for each product. Don't make one and call it done. Test different images and headlines and angles and see what really resonates with the buyer. Use strong keywords on Pinterest. Use great pin titles and descriptions. They should include exact search terms of what you think your audience is searching. Something like a meal planning template or a budget spreadsheet or a social media content calendar. Think like your buyer. Link directly to your product page, not your general homepage. Every click is an opportunity to have a sale. So if you click just directly to the homepage, you're losing a sale. And for higher priced products, consider a lead magnet, consider a funnel. Offer something free first, build trust, then introduce the paid product through email. Pinterest gets them in the door, email closes the sale. Track what's working. Use Pinterest Analytics and your Shop Analytics together to see which pins are driving traffic and actual sales. Then you'll know what's converting and you can create more. If you want a step-by-step plan to start making money on Pinterest, I have a free resource for you. It's our Pinterest Profit Plan, a 5-day email series that will walk you through setting up your monetization strategy and whether you're selling digital products, physical products, you're doing affiliate marketing, this is your starting point. Click on the link below in the description to get access to that. All right, here's what I want you to take away from today. Selling digital products on Pinterest can absolutely work, but it is not set it and forget it and make $15,000 in 1 month. You need the right product that solves this specific problem in a beautiful visual way to show exactly what they're getting and a seamless experience from pin to purchase. Do those things and Pinterest becomes a really powerful sales channel for your business. Our Simple Pin shop is proof that it works when you do it right. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.